Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So it is June low spend month, and I think it's double batch cooking day. Let me get my thoughts right. That could be wrong, but if it's not, it's going to be double batch cooking day today. So what we're going to do, I'm going to move some stuff around. The first thing I'm going to do is put my crock pot on. So I'll show you this stuff over here in just a sec. We are actually hosting the Homeowners Association meeting tonight because my neighbor could not host. She actually ended up having our meeting plus something else that she could not get out of. So I told her, and we just live right across the street from each other. So I told her I would, and then the other... So I'm the secretary, my neighbor is the treasurer, and my neighbor to the other side of me is the president-elect, and then my neighbor across the street to the side of my first neighbor is the current president. So we're all trying to find replacements. Really, for me, I'm the recording secretary for another association, and it takes me a long time to do my minutes and stuff, and I just don't have the time with the kids and everything. So I would really just not like to do that anymore. But with the meeting being here and me being a hostess with the mostest, I am actually just putting aside some things for, you know, just to put out for folks. They don't have to eat them if they don't want. But we did go over to Walmart and we looked on the markdown bins and found a few little things. Let me show you what I found. So here's a couple things that I found. The first thing I was really excited about was this party pack. It comes with plates, forks, napkins, and a server in here for $1.78. So 24 set. I got 2 of those. And even if I don't use those all tonight, I'll still have them for something different. So I did get treats. I'm going to cut this in a couple pieces. The little mini red velvet cupcakes, and then some chocolate filled Danish. A few little donuts. We're going to cut these in half. And then I also have some chips. I have salsa in the cabinet. And then Chex Mix. So this was an unplanned purchase. It wasn't anything. I didn't pull that out of my grocery budget. It was just some extra that I felt like I needed to spend. So all in all, I only spent $16. And it's fine. It's just for the Homeowners Association. So sometimes you do have to, you know, have emergency monies. But it's totally fine. So what I'm going to be doing for double batch cooking is... I'm going to be making chocolate banana bread, and I'm going to be using that. Then I'm going to be doing these Coleman organic sausages. So I'm going to make these on the grill pan. So I got 3 sausages out to cook. So I'm going to put all of those on the grill, and then in the crock pot I'm going to put in these pork ribs, and we're going to do Mississippi style pork. So this is all going in the crock pot. The sausages are going on the grill pan. And then another lady from the group said she had made macaroni salad, and so I do... Oh, that's what I was trying to get out of here. Sorry, y'all. I have tuna. I'm going to take 3 cans maybe. I might use only 2 cans, but I'm going to do tuna. There is my relish I pulled out of the pantry, and my mayonnaise that I pulled out of the pantry. So those I already had in the pantry. And then I'm going to pull out some pasta to do macaroni salad. So I'm going to whip up a few things and just show you guys kind of what we're doing for double batch cooking day. And we'll show you everything when we get it done. So here's what I'm doing, right? So I have the pork ribs, but I actually have two of these. So there's one whole section this way, and then there's one underneath them. So it's 2. It's going to make a double batch. I'm also using some of these bird's eye white pearl onions that I have had in the freezer, and then I just put in a couple of carrots, put in 1 package of the brown gravy, 1 of the ranch, some of the pepperoncinis, and a little bit of that juice. And then this is some Smart Balance light butter. It's not even quite half a stick because it's the spreadable kind. But I just put it in there. This is going to go on high for about 6 hours. So hopefully it'll be done before the HOA meeting. If not, we'll just eat after. So that's what I have going on for there. Alright everybody. So here I am. I'm done. I did 4 sausages come in each pack. So I did 3 batches of sausage, and I just did them on the George Foreman grill. So I just have one finishing up there. So that's 12 of those. And then I put together a macaroni salad. I just used ditalini pasta instead of elbows. I used tuna, relish, and mayonnaise. Probably too much mayonnaise, but there's 12 servings in here. And then I finished up with just a single batch. I didn't do a double batch of this, of the chocolate chip banana bread. So this will make, I'm going to try my best to get 24 pieces out of this. Don't ask me how. If I get 24 pieces out of it, it will be a double batch, because one regular batch is 12 pieces. So I think I'm going to cut it here and then try to cut it small enough. So, you know, they're only going to be little bite-sized pieces, but that's going to end up being about 2 or 3 points for those if I do it in 24 pieces. So anyway, that is the end of our low spin challenge for the day, which was our double batch cooking. It is all done. The kids are getting ready to have lunch. We are at about 2:45, so we're late. We were finishing up homeschool. But here it is. This should be able to get us pretty much through 2 or 3 days of lunches this week, and I won't have to do lunches for the rest of the week. So this and this, and I think we have some fruit. This will get us through lunches for at least 2 to 3 days. Of course, I am doing the double batch of ribs, so that's going to get us through tonight's dinner, maybe tomorrow's dinner, but I'll probably do sliders tomorrow. So tonight it'll be regular Mississippi ribs or roast, and then tomorrow it'll be sliders. So that's it. Our double batch cooking is over for the day. We hope that you're doing well on your low spin challenge. Let us know what you double batch cooked today. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel, and we'll see you on the next low spin challenge day. Bye now.